Hi everyone, this is Mahmoud Samir. I've been working with CRM systems for the past 16 years. I have led many implementations across a wide range of industries, from small startups all the way to large companies like banks and energy companies. This is the first video for my new series, CRM for Business Decision Makers. If you are still managing your sales and services operations using Excel, this video is for you. We are going to break down the real difference between Excel and CRM systems and see both of them in action. I will help you to understand how CRM system can help you to grow your business and scale your business and stop leaving money on the table. Let's start.
Let's start with what most businesses are doing when they start out. This is a sample Excel sheet for managing sales and services processes. As you can see, this is accounts. I have here my account information, the contact details, the primary contact, and status. I can also have opportunities to track my sales activities. So this is the topics, what we are selling for him, his name, all details related to the opportunity, when it's expected to close, estimated revenue, and probability and rating. We can also have a sheet for cases, case details, case number, priority, how did we get this case, and for which customer this case is, and when it's created, status of this case, and quick description of this case. Another sheet for activities, what activities we need to do with these cases and opportunities and accounts also. We have subject of this activity, related to which customer, what kind of activity do we need to achieve, the status of this activity, priority, and due date. It looks nice indeed. Let's ask now some interesting questions that every business should ask in order to maintain his business alive. Let's take, for example, this question. This fourth cafe company, when did we last contact this fourth company? We need to maintain our relationship with this company. Is it healthy? Do they have problems? Let's see. Okay, I don't have here a date for the last contact. Okay, so in order to check this, maybe I check activities. Let's search fourth. Nothing. It seems we didn't contact them, or maybe there is a typo mistake. I'm not sure. Let's check cases. There was a case with them a couple of days ago, and they are not happy. So, did we solve this issue or not? Did we contact them? We didn't contact them from here, but maybe this sheet is not updated. Do we have already an opportunity with them? Yeah, I don't see any opportunity with them. Okay, do we still have a running contract with them? It's not also feasible here. I cannot answer this here. Maybe I can check my Outlook, check my calendar. Maybe we had a meeting with them, or I can ask my colleague. Maybe he had a contact with them. Yeah, and so on. This is a sample fair question that should be asked every time in order to keep your business alive. See how much time we spent just trying to understand the status of this account. Let's ask another question. This opportunity should have been closed a couple of weeks ago. Why it's not yet closed? Maybe I check also some activities, but I remember we had last week a meeting with them and I had a notebook with me. Maybe I check my notes. I already have written a note there, or maybe check also emails. I didn't find anything. Okay, let's just call the customer. So I just picked my phone, started to call this contact, and surprise, he just told me, according to our last discussion, we agreed that you will send me some documents and I will review them and reply back to you. So it's bending on you, not on my side. See how it's really affecting your business? Just a small thing that you forgot to do just affected the whole sales process. Let's pick last example. We have this case device XYZ stop working. Okay, we need to understand the status of this ticket. Where are the updates? What was lastly said? Did we contact them on time? Was it escalated? We can spend many hours playing this detective play or hide and seek if we are using Excel for managing CRM operations. Let's jump now to CRM systems. This is dynamic CRM. I have here on the left side the menu where I have accounts, contacts, lead, opportunities, orders, quotes, goals, forecasts, cases, pretty everything related to my business. If I click on the account, I can see the list of accounts. Let's pick this fourth coffee company where we couldn't answer some important questions using Excel. I will jump in. Now let's see what we can see here. This is the summary tab. I can see his main information, his addresses. I can see also the timeline. What was our last interaction? Was a closed opportunity with this amount, and this is the opportunity itself. I can just click on it or just see more details right here. I can scroll down a little bit to see this is the primary contact. These are his information, and I can also jump in to see more details about this contact. I can see also list of opportunities. This is the last opportunity. I can see all details related to this opportunity. I can scroll a little bit down. I can see also the recent cases. This is his recent case. I just can click it and see all details related to this case. Moving forward, we can see here also some interesting information like he doesn't like to be contacted using phone. He likes to be contacted using email. I can see also all files related to his profile. Maybe he sent me some documents. I can see all documents here. Just in one place, I can see the 360-degree view about this customer. I don't have to jump to different locations to check different things or just jump to my Outlook, my calendar, just everything related to this customer in one screen. Let's check this time the second question we asked. Let's jump to one example opportunity to see how it looks like. Okay. On the header of this opportunity, we have something very nice called business process flow. It means we can have a business process for this opportunity where we defined some specific steps for this opportunity to be closed. In this sample, we have the qualification phase, the development phase, the propose phase, and the closure phase. Let's scroll down. We have also the description, current situation, what was actually the customer need, what we have proposed. If we scroll down, what are the stakeholders? Some of the stakeholders could be from our side, some could be from their side. Let's jump into the products. What product we actually sold and which price list did we offer. I can check if we offered some quotes for this customer. We can see all files just related to this specific opportunity. Let's check together the last example. This is the case we saw on Excel sheet. I will just jump in. We have again service process. We have multiple steps to resolve the case, and we have a very defined process for resolving any case. We can see all the details. We received it through emails. We have a description for it. This was the question we couldn't answer last time. We have here a phone call has been done by me checking the problem details, and we offered him to check with the factory and reply back to him within this date. And we created also a follow-up task with the factory regarding this issue, and we should reply back within this date. And exactly what you are thinking of now. We will receive reminders. Lastly, if we jump to dashboards, we have very interesting interactive dashboards. For example, this sales pipeline or sales funnel, where we see all our opportunities according to the phase. I can also click, and this is the qualify phase. I can also see which are these accounts on this phase. There are many other charts and dashboards where we can use in order to analyze and understand exactly our situation. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Excel is cheap, CRM costs money per month, but the truth is, using Excel as a CRM system costs you more. 1. Missed follow-ups leads to lost deals. 2. No visibility leads to poor decisions. 3. Manual work leads to wasted time. 4. Lack of automation leads to slow growth. So indeed, you are saving few of dollars on the license per month, but you are leaving thousands of dollars on the table. So the real question is not, can I afford a CRM? The real question is, can I afford not to? If you like the content of this video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions or would like to discuss the content of this video, you can just directly connect with me on LinkedIn and just start a chat. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.